Let's play a little game. Can you guess what I'm going to be making with flour today? Can you guess? Have a little look around. In that dish on the left is onion powder and some parsley flakes. In this pan is some water with some baking soda. Hint, hint, hint. If you've ever made these before, you know exactly what I'm going to be doing. That's right, folks. It's going to be soft pretzels. Yes, indeed. I decided it was time to do some dough in my bread machine for some soft pretzels. Might as well make the job easy, right? You can find all kinds of recipes online for soft pretzels. This is my first time making them using the water with the baking soda. Some people said leave it in there for 30 seconds, flip it over in 30 seconds more. Other people said it tasted so bad that they couldn't eat it, they had to throw it out. Other people said it was too salty. I wasn't sure about any of that, so what I did was it called for 1/3 of a cup of baking soda. Well, to me that just seems like too much. So I went 1/2 of a third, which is 1/6, which is 2 tablespoons and plus 2 teaspoons of baking soda. They called for 6 cups of water. Well, I didn't want to use 6 cups of water because I'm using less baking soda, so I used 4 cups of water. And after I shaped the pretzel, I put it into the baking soda water bath, and for about 5 seconds, if that, maybe 3. And then I scooped it out with a slotted spoon and put it on my baking tray with parchment paper. Do not forget the parchment paper. Do not use wax paper, because you can't put wax paper in your oven, folks. You bake it at 400, they said from 8 to 12 minutes. Well, no, mine took a bit more than that. Mine took about 20 minutes. Because I'm using a convection toaster oven, so the heat dropped down quickly as soon as I put them in there. But boy, oh boy, did they turn out beautifully. Get that cup of coffee ready, because you're going to enjoy this. Yes, you will.